The same constitution you are not respecting, you are directing the constitution to do what you like. How do you get these two things at the same time? Yabrɛwɔ, the court, the Chief Justice position, it is not for you. It is not for your father. It is not a bona fide property. You are a normal civilian. Get that in your head. You have been sacked. You have been fired. You were sacked because of your misconduct. If you can't get over this, at a point we all felt to say, you were supposed to be listened to, but your arrogance, your disrespect for the Constitution, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? They are equally intelligent, smart women who can do the job you were doing. It is what Meshawna say at the end of the day, Wabumraso, na emran wedia. What at all do you need? And now you were not ready to exit. And now Akufo Addo gave you the assurance that you are young and that you can do damage till you are 70 years. Maybe that is the thing that is going through your head. Mamenka Madam Torkornoo entitled Old Woman. Former Chief Justice Madam Gertrude Torkornoo files action to stop vetting and appointment of Bafuboni as Chief Justice. You see, former Chief Justice Madam Torkornoo, Akufo Addo's judge, Afenyo Markins blood. And also on tene ho ase. Adan a say Sesiano, Chief Justice, to be Mr. Bafuboni, President Mahamadu nominating a Parliament ebe vetting no. But I'm talking about court. And what court say, court and stopping. Mema court emma sa vetting emma so. And mema court so emma ya enye appointing se on a Chief Justice of Ghana. But I'm talking no. Osono maame say or no on tiase the sense of entitlement. The sense of entitlement. Mami we, I don't know, nipa bi asemi o maka to ni tirim. She feels to say, I said Ghana no, ne maame dia, ne papa dia. Now I ne nim style be. Like she believes to say, or no, your pay and also Ghana Constitution yemano. Inti the nauseating part of the whole thing is or no person Ghana ye be Chief Justice or no say yen stop it yen jai. Hey, democracy is not good for black man. Into what na dem actually nyoma bebre no assign yan fanko court mama ne maso obabasa matarabata yen jai bibia mu na on task nti mama yentumi ma yenkoye enyim. Hey, ohiana ngasa onye. Now it's so despicable when these things, you see these things. Now only nyoma na obusa court is a court in Yamano. These are some of the things she was asking the court to do for her. Munsho muntio and a Friday. Or say Justice Torkornoo restore withheld salary and benefit. Or say or shagana for or shakot and say or no na ketu akemu no and then the benefit be an or set court and the mano or say she is asking the court to compel government. So Bronika say compel. Obi ye bibi no the brofo be say compeller or say or no or catch the court and say court and enshaban authority. The arrogance in her statement. She is asking the court to compel the government to pay her salary, benefits, and entitlement that were due up to the date of her removal. Or say, now our salary be also tianeka, and the benefits be an anchor and saka. Into our shakot and say, I bind tiamano. La ilaha illallah. Osuru mami o. Idea be no also busa or say stop the appointment of a new Chief Justice or say or no court no Chief Justice now President appoint here ye ba be vet no amana be the Chief Justice no or say yen jai yen stop it or no shegana. Torkornoo tim say anadubia or no leptin and sana wada. I'm very sure say anadubia Torkornoo enom leptin. Leptin kakra si nchen onom. Oni problem. Yen twa ne kanem enti okasa anyhow. Torkornoo ombobo eye tent man freman tutun ko danti. Ni trim ye ne de odi tofi wo no to. Me hwe say anadubia oye leptin tea kakra no de hani asom na odi alewa hye de to na oti eye de rolling chair mu na ohwe TV. Ni trim ye ne de. Hey, Torkornoo. Me a sure pass anadubia oye leptin tea na de hani kakra som. Na we yi alewa 55 de bi black and white do that share the 22 ye ne de na oti reclining o se de e chair mu na ohwe TV in timu ye ne de organize yo ye ema insult to ye ema enframantu eye tent nkoda onye eye ma ginyame nkonnwa be 13 embubu mi enda ne kada onti nyoma bi ase Torkornoo timu ye ne de onti nyoma bi ase onye wedding ayi wedding jollof memu hie ma mmomu ema amanfo bi nkasa mundi onhu bi da on said organizing party man fanti form by embe to party no hoda even party so na why 10 on who be da inti ni timu ya ne de the timu ya ne da ma ne to ya ne de inti na ya no chocho ansem we no the timu na ya ne de Gertrude awo utim ya o de papa awo Gertrude utim oya o de papa utim na nkasa na oya o de na nka utim nya o de wa ka de mensem nkan trom brain de yen kenkan infanti de do onum lifting tea or the honey kakegu no the tonton ba kwatum no we alewa hye de to reclining chair no ohwe DSTV anything na mani kaka sansem no or say she seeks an injunction to halt the appointment of Chief Justice Paul Bafuboni as her successor, arguing that the process is premature and unlawful while her challenge is pending. I say on tiasie Madam Torkornoo nanga say on shedan for bentu anko bathroom say okosa a leto hu se bento anu ho apai into the droguma o miano na efa nchen na entumi kole onhu bibi sa da onyam eduro so okosa abra na bento anu ho apai a oduru batim ode eduro gum no ode so bento anu entumi ntwi eduro no ngum onhu nyam se bi da ongyina kokone na mu ndware da enti ni tirimu no oye broni into ochocho brofo osono maame onhu ye wo papa utim oye wo daw utim na ya ude na weni asem ya ka kire utim ya uda ma oto ya ude nti won hera jese u feel so entitled I say fia konwa na wudi asesegwa no yentwetwe hu fa mesu papa dem Chief Justice akonwa no why need to say I say udi fia konwa yentwetwe asesegwa no fa mesi dem ma won na yemfa ntwere bebi akoraba ro no enti ya on tiasie now nyamani bia obusale binie udi Torkornoo echi abeboni o challenge the grounds for her removal or say or shekot and say ye no on tiasie Torkornoo ita jollof pa o Torkornoo hwe na ope eye de infant dokron eye de ice cream ka ye de ideal milk wono angasa no odum se otaye eye ice cream ka or the ideal milk guma otumi hwia na oyi nani na odin koma so what are you saying oh because milk na o hwe na nya ni sika do to enti on tiasie Torkornoo tie nyoma bi ase me hwe to ice cream ka ofia ono iso ideal milk o hwia on checke nanka u hwie nanka wote pepa de bi abobode ahya no ede kosi nsuoma akasa nyoma we ka utro rade witi krave ya we Torkornoo sanka milk na wonum no ofie ni kaneshi milk no ene eye ideal milk no sanka u hwie nanka uja bi ena wote pepa de bi ede hyehye ho de si nsuoma kasa nsomonyoma ka utro ba me sure say uhwe mo kekura won check bebi edu dia kana da to ball emunti utim ya wo de osono maame osaso say prohibit denial of courtesies of to say courtesies of office she wants the court to prohibit any action that deny her the courtesies, privileges, or status due to former Chief Justice until just I didn't kind of quite be ya. Just Torkornoo Why no nipa bi a why se mampam. O yure no ho a obetumi a issue. Utwa ne ti a obetumi a hang wo dem. Uyi ne ti ne dompe na obetumi a exhibition. Ono asa nipa ba ko na se o wuro no ho a obetumi a belt. Torkornoo no so ejejefo. Now, the seriousness of this is that what Torkornoo is asking for is simple. Torkornoo is telling us to say, or no, as a former Chief Justice or respected constitution. Torkornoo is fighting the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. She is undermining the Constitution. Remember, the removal of Torkornoo was activated by the Constitution, not an individual. And the Torkornoo is in court today fighting the Constitution, meaning she herself, being a former Chief Justice, has never respected the Constitution of the land. Because one, the process that she went through, it was basically activated by the Constitution. The people who were involved in that process were all under oath, and they were instructed or guided by the Constitution of the Republic, from the president to the last person on the committee. In today, when you are telling us to say a process a constitution they are to amaye disu nyina abesi na at the end of the day eye committee no what they found na ye di samra no so no ono pakache said the constitution is crazy. This is what it means. The same constitution that Torkornoo does not respect. She is insisting that the same constitution should compel the court to give her what she thinks she deserves. This is the double standard about this woman. The same constitution she doesn't respect. She wants to instruct the court through she wants to instruct the court by using the constitution to do what she wants. Now, in the same constitution, I won't respect it, no. Because all respect the constitution now, the process you went through, it was a process the constitution basically put together for all of us to go through. It order on sa left way 82 and order on sa right way. This is what Torkornoo is doing. Order on sa left 82 or we are now order on sa right now about the as a and she's telling us say these two things she's doing. The same constitution you are not respecting, you are directing the constitution to do what you like. How do you get these two things at the same time? Yabrɛwɔ, the court, the Chief Justice position, it is not for you. It is not for your father. It is not a bona fide property. You are a normal civilian. Get that in your head. You have been sacked. You have been fired. You were sacked because of your misconduct. If you can't get over this, at a point we all felt to say, you were supposed to be listened to, but your arrogance, your disrespect for the Constitution, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? They are equally intelligent, smart women who can do the job you were doing. It is what Meshawna say at the end of the day, Wabumraso na emran wedia. What at all do you need? And now you were not ready to exit. And now Akufo Addo gave you the assurance that you are young and that you can do damage till you are 70 years. Maybe that is the thing that is going through your head. You have done your best. The Constitution says go home. What do you need? Why have you become an insect right now? You are pestering. What do you need? The sense of entitlement, the arrogance in your language. It does not matter what you do. You are not going back to the court. You are not going back to the Supreme Court. You will never be Chief Justice again in your life. You will never be Chief Justice again. Maybe your husband and your kids, they have not made you understand that. You will never be Chief Justice again. It's better you start thinking of another thing to do. Find a hobby. Find a hobby. Stop these things of distracting us and disturbing Ghanaians. Say you will never be Chief Justice again. You can never be Chief Justice again. What do you need? What kind of some selfish behavior is this. You have been sacked, finito, case die, you are done. This is pure comedy. The constitution you don't respect, that constitution is not going to give you any hearing here. So the process will go on. The nominated Chief Justice will be vetted, and he will be Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. You can go and burn the sea. Nobody gives a hoot. You are even proving to us to say, sir, office now not a business office for you. What at all do you need there? It's why Chief Justice we keep saying women are strong. You did everything. You took judges with you as your lawyers. You took former Attorney General Otuko Otu, another man who contradicts himself even when he is eating. You got the guidance of Sofa Akufo, another hypocritical state council member, council of state member. You got Sam Okujato, another hypocritical liar who says he's a former state what level. You got all these people in your books. They followed you, supplied you with all the knowledge. Still, you could not make your case. Yanya wodeng. Yanya wodeng na wope. Tetina na Ghana no, amanfo bi jinsa yo mudia na enyi obiam saa wo. So, Avenger. Araba Avenger. Osono mame, let it go. Let it go. Me manaya moto. Elsa. Let it go. And the dien. Me de bia to fufuro fia. Let it go. Let it go. And the dien. Because you buso. Because I knew Debbie I'm to. You say Elsa. And I say on the blue crumple and I like blue a little bit. And I'm waiting for Biaba. I traveled recently. When I came back, now I'm the new one Biaba. And also cry me name and you too. De bia me nkora we de nyomfo froba. Daddy, do you know this one? Me nkora yi. Ebi wana me ni omudi nkomo. Na Zara an assistant. Betumi ka word bi. Ebia the thing is supposed to be maybe your palm. And betumi ka so bring your hand or something. Now me managing on that. Betumi you word bi no maka jam said word way there it's wrong. Me can word way I must say. Me mayo, me can brofu you must say. Last time can say masa. Muntu me tente ni pani jachu me baby be free ba no. I am from far away o. Me mbay me ka brofu a osida bi weti. Me ka brofu ya me bayi so weti. And I'm Zara, America na wo ba no. Otumi ka de bi America for brofu. Mrs. Zara, we no. Ha ukrum ha na wo nyini ye. O tanyuma wo ti ase. Inti nyoma bi wo ha. Aya na me baby am free ba de entanka. Inti Afenyo miss also no dad got to say Mr. Darby and then assistant no come and so di chire that's wrong the future was amzumo why lucky ben to any ha akikedro ni ha masa ankora we stress me o metumi ni omudi nkomo ya hwebu via na maka word bi so that's wrong masa where di ye krom sa na ye ka no intimi na maka say maka cho mama say ka chiro nkora no me anya ha na mko KG o into science and be mechanics and far mom from pressure me do so more stress me I'm for credit him say me a hard guy na me be fia na say mo ka bro for na me beka bia na me ka me dia mo say I dey make me say bibi word be last minute Zara Kasa or say or say minimum word be enye cool o ka say omo new word be aba Zara o afuna Zara di 8 word be or say that do you know this word steez ana okay word be and I'm so what does it mean and yes steez some word and I'll say what you don't know and I'm Zara me kromanya na ewo me masa de nkura wedi ye nipa okroma na mo ma me na mo sere e de say de me ti kroma na me nim de ekọ me se na come me kwatu busam word bi na me busan say na wo person kire sen you be ye di nkomo nice na makoka word bi nkura say me word na me kan just say any dictionary I'm so hey international school Ghana and then yeka encourage someone to say in America bitino me rekura ho that was Torkornoo be stress ni pa me free ana me koduru fie sisia na ye di nkomo a meka word bi me ma na meka sa word ne de e na sa word no me se me hwehwe word that day me tena ho sam se he koda afa me to sam se na nkura we kura me kura mba na mo disturb di pasa ye kura mu sa question we to be stress di se masa mo de mo amwo nkura okuro mo amwo nim America for nkura sa nkura na America for nkura ya ye stop no man nipa che say e ma school ko enyina utumi say na me teacher no boda man na me teacher for so no mabon o mabeng utumi butan say na word we are may use from titina may use be BT girls near the day me dey count me dey points nyina me man tumi chance say word no nya word na nkona ne sere me tumi chance me na from Kevin Taylor no so forget masa word ne nye ebi things like I'm trying to find basic words that they be correct me. You know, there are some words we use back home. Akayo, we use those words. Okoka, and Uncle Fokano. I'm one word, just a missing Korano. I've heard nobody go and be saying Kora will be doing como. Now, Sakam and assistant, no, Nina, Nessa Pindo can be our YouTube. Yes, that. Yes, it is true. But we had a sister, Shadow. I check the sister, that is true. Now, I quote we are so Kabia is true. And then anything a bass over Jadi or what they are coming be also different. A Chinese sister and cat brofubi na me church no just no that Zara is right. Me say now bro penalty. Yeah go for we in some dey kebia na montiase o. Omo nya ekroma encounter with abrofo nkwara no de me kana montiase. Abrofo nkwara madam fubi. Madam fubi neba auto Tesla. Neba boy we di be 7 or said 8 or said 10. Madam for new Tesla. Anopa akra we the bus stop to Nifie and do 3 minutes walk. Akra ne catch papa say on fan nko bus stop na amanfo no hu se Jack. Ai na akra we kasa asma che papa. Die mpa na wo kire bus stop wo. Na say girls bi wo ho a wo akra no wo kire kafia. Na madam fu ono oyankrani akra o. Odi 16 na say onya papa ye di. Bra wa bre. Me money di 16 years and so onye sika koto papa ye na ndɛ ne be catch and say twimi fo me ko bus stop because me be say amanfo girls bi hu say me papa to Tesla foforo Jack asem ne koso kroma no atete na wada too much o de ma MPP for ende as me no ka say enkofo ka say odi Bawumia chi obi di boni wo MPP mu a ono energy sika eko beli nipa no sa abayo ye frena kosia menu abayo we na oye edwuma bi a na eye edwuma a sebio omubu nkofo edi nkofo dwirim na oka sa edwuma no ho sa edwuma no ye bete ne to a ebehu se omabon nkofo koro no awia Ghana fo dodo sika edi den atro akere omo no na otwe ne ho trom na okọ join ni NPP o join ni NPP adekudie ntia mam benya MPP card ne se one mark menu ba kotwe mpena ma ne di no ma ne be wo ye na o se ne yere no e de man MPP card oya kwara na hwene body ni meche bini sa ba yiwa we call MPP mu Akufo Addo ne yere ba power na okuta Akufo Addo yere bag handbag ni claim to fame ne say mark menu na oye MPP ni ba ene ne dae ene ma ne be ye MPP ni ba yere eno na e ma ne di MPP anim edien asem na ba yiwa bi na no aka because me kire Mahamadu Bawumia ni su ene ne ban onigu kwa hono aba bebusa mo se hwan ne koneye ade a oye no ode sebio ateni ahyenkofo ano ode sebio oyaw ahyenkofo ano ene wahohoro ne to abegina se oyeb salla abra onim se sebio ejanan na esi wono ono ne twa ne to but wane awie abegina se ode den oye salla akosre onyankopon bonifache Bawumia ye nipa onka ne kure akosre me anyway oka Bawumia omo kasama Bawumia di Bawumia chi and campaign odi mu tim man e de na waka o say Kennedy Agyapong, you are the biggest threat. Kennedy Agyapong is the biggest threat to Ghana's democracy. Abraywa we bi na ka Kennedy say wo ye ka Ghana kebi ma kebia una we busuefu a una hu ehu e wo Ghana kebi ma kebi mu una de ko nti okasa Kennedy Agyapong anka asem ye ndi obi atam. Kennedy Agyapong anka asem ye ndi obi atam o say ono de 2024 elections no sibia na ekono na ye lose presidential ena ye lose some parliamentary seats. Na edum pempen so bi ehun say ye lose presidential no. But na e was senke ye twen. Na parliamentary ye kan ni nyina ewie ni ehun bebia ye wo. Enti Mahamadu Bawumia ba abontene ebeka se wagye eye election atum no. Eye ne ya ohun se entwa ye efri se ye ko pretum ye pre-presidential any parliamentary. Inti ade na presidential se enko ye kura won twen ema ye nwie parliamentary no ne ehun se we ne nyaaye. Inti one de senka ono se enka ono, that means na enyo no. Senka ono enanka ye Bawumia anka onjintum ekopem se ya kan presidential akan parliamentary ewie eno no bone ben na Kennedy Agyapong aka ena kostua menu America kire de se onkodi Kennedy Agyapong atam sa ba yo we pese obeye MP wa denta nti ade chia no patututu no kwotena Metro TV no se hwe me kasama Bawumia ye ka kebi mami kebi Ghana Kennedy Agyapong oye musuefo ye nipa ne hu okunipa. You can say you are a threat. You can say anybody is a threater. That person could be a murderer. That person could be an assassin. That person could be anything. And you can say you are a threat. You can say you're the sa word in the toswa. You represent everything. Akosia menu at the end of the day. I also your bawo okunuda chino ebejina TV so can say Kennedy. He represents everything dangerous. He's a threat to Ghana's democracy. How did we get here? How did we get here? What was the mistake? If you decide to make sure election results are counted to the core, a dear mistake no, a dear bonnie. Say I can't election here and can't we now try me I can't in what makes you a danger to democracy? Some people decide to go out and wait and listen to results. Inti so Kennedy ka say kwara mo ne nya adwene na so mu hu ni sa asem no kan enya muda. There is a fine way to address Kennedy Agyapong. But Bawumia one na yire no almost setting kwara way up and there ya ne say Kennedy Agyapong si super ma ewo se otwe sa akosua mani we wuro no ho Kennedy betwam. Kennedy Agyapong start to pay ma awo se otwe wa bojantra wo edin kwasiasem time na oya bema gina ne na se ade ontumi ntu no pa time na oya bema otumi gina eye ne kotodwe so bodogi no se ohun akosua menu na akosua menu awro no ho Kennedy betwam nti eye den na akosua menu wei akosua menu we na hwini se bini etumi gina o edi Kennedy atam. How? How? Bawumia say we nyina wante. And I can show you so many statements from Bawumia Nkwara, the consistent insult. You see, consistently they have become consistent in insulting Kennedy Agyapong. They have become very consistent and comfortable with it. And Kennedy Agyapong almost say normal because the flag bearer they are following, the aspirant, he endorses that kind of thing. O we are not beginning the penmaka say media mi niatem na media mi wia na obiaba na obakodim. This is not politics. This is diabolism. Kennedy Agyapong is not a saint. We din kwasi asempeng. Mi ankasa matiane da. We din kwasi asempeng. But he does not deserve what he's getting. Kennedy has not been the perfect politician. He has his flaws. Within Kwasiasem, he has been corrupt at a point. But at least this is party politics. Let us take the personal attacks away and address Kennedy Agyapong. So was Kennedy a corrupter? Me, Sabetanka is Kennedy a corrupter. I will prove to you what makes Kennedy Agyapong a corrupt politician. Sabetanka Kennedy or you'll be a own nimraswa. I will show you evidence that just Kennedy nimraso. But not to just because of your person Bawumia bedi president obey flag bearer. Anything that we throw at the guy. No, we am in mobile. I feel bad for him. And you see, the reason I feel bad for him is say he's pumping money into this campaign and they have already rigged the elections. And Kennedy deserves it. What they are doing to him today, he deserves it. Because at a point, I advised Kennedy Agyapong. Me too ne fo. Me say Kennedy. Oya dada, me so be a dada. What toka, ma toka. What to down America, ma to down. In fact, me down me team America. What time I would talk down, me down the value near more than what down America. It's a fact. Orange County down is one. Me down this year, it is expensive than your building. Into emresa. I advise you as a young man, say, listen. Now, nyoma bi a wo ye no. These same people will let us know at the right time. You see what is happening? Bawumia is working against you. He's using your own weakness. Ninyambe mumpo. Because you know me, if I decide to take you down in terms of facts and letting people know who you are, you cannot survive it. But yes, MPP for now another contestant is using party pigs to denigrate you, personal, or in personal issues, personal attacks, all because everybody thinks it was a Bawumia be a flag bearer. Bawumia can never win elections in Ghana. Kennedy, you can also never win elections, but at least check your wings. NPP munu you hear free and fair elections. Now, what is story we? Afenyo marking. Afenyo marking say, let us MPP be mindful of social media and how internal issues end up in the public space. Afenyo marking say, onu de Kennedy Agyapong ye clients. Right now, no onu a ontumi campaign tia Kennedy. And onu so a ontumi nkasa support Bawumia. Into I say Jimmy no nam party nim. Everybody what Jimmy. Yo, Afenyo marking say, MPP for yanya careful. Records now muja toward Kevin Taylor pilot. Torkornoo first son. Torkornoo first born. Slow motion first born. Afenyo marking, aka Torkornoo's first born, or say MPP 4. Munya butiro. In summer yekotoa be imokeka. AC and Tumagufi wa bontene. Munya butire. Na Kevin Taylor chain or recording nina or pilot. So Kevin Taylor kasa mubedi 42 years in opposition. Dia mo ye neno ena ema Kevin Taylor be confirm say 42 ni ebedi e opposition. Iti Kennedy Agyapong's lawyer and Kennedy Agyapong's lawyer osaye a friend and a supporter of Bawumia. He is now in the middle. Wadani Jimmy. Oh, so on kasa ma Kennedy Agyapong. So on support Bawumia. So on the public. And the wadani Jimmy wa party nim ontumi nkasa and a party no egu. On one parliamentarians edi nkwasi asem di Bawumia chi ontumi nkasa and the Kojo Kyeremanteng. In the video bi am share ne nim ntwuma I say we di 49 Kojo Kyeremanteng we nyini by force. Atro omon kanokre. And the hu omo I say we di 80. Pesamia uku na pempemu tutu. Kojo Kyeremanteng enkwara mu di party echi sika krono enentitwitwa atro and the party no hu akokra na hu young man a difference nim she obi to say salam masaudu salaka we on nam we osora no she half shoot time bi half shoot bi anyone na kom Masaudu also no she have on na party ni chairman as we speak MPP national chairman ni Masaudu akwa we ya oni a ontumi pepa na to ye and the whole MPP the dinichi say we and a ye ni chairman on na chairman say a ye dinichi Masaudu otiti shu pepa na to a onhu ne nsandru ne to ohye boxes na oyigu a asa wane akwa we the MPP enim say me Masaudu na me MPP chairman. Ne yabobo dam. Are we mad as a people? Are we crazy as a political party? And such people are the ones leading the party. Afenyo ma can catch them. Also on the about technical play. On the onkofo NDC mo onimo mo betuma boano. Na dia mo ye no Kevin Taylor o control airwaves no or pilot. Kevin Taylor is piling. Na dia mo ye nende no eno na Kevin Taylor de be finish ye Inti munye careful about the things you are saying or your onim de oka. Efutu pididi. Ono na otumi ji obi yere. Na wasane nipa na kogina court. Na wafre nipa na threaten no. Na wasa suma nkofo so monkochi nipa ne ba. Afenyo make oye demon. Freemason a ho no. Sanka 2 minutes da hu ma ankeku na to atwene. Afenyo make oye demon. Political demon. Otumi ji obi yere. Na wama nipa na waje ne yere no. Oba na waje ne nua bema ene nipa na waje ne da no. Saa nipa no ni nua bema eferi jeje ene nipa ne mba akode wakoso nkwara mu. Owia na wasa be defend oba na waje ne nua bema na ososo oba na odini ni mu no ma no o defend no court na watuma sa atamfon na wafrɛ nkwara na eye oba na one ne twempra na se odini ni nua bema yi etete omo no na wasa frɛ bema na ofon se o threaten no na saa kwa wei asa sori asuma de ne somebody say omunko ankwara di school no omunko kidnap Afenyo make oye political demon. And in some make nyina machiremo the facts are there. And in some catch us me tena ha enya personal o eye one case terminal report na me ba achireo efutu pididi waji efutu fo asase o selbi na fo asase 99 years and we see estate guso and okwa no atọ petition am boys no mo nom say okos osako osahene and ade omo agimi no atọ preko na mama omo no aye jollof kakra bi no no omo di omo agimi because embrante no bi no omo wo ne kuro mu ho no omo nim de ekoso won kran oni girl bi te eye ayi lashibio sedien oni na wutu ena oji sika no won kran a na wayi mu $100 no asesa osesa no de aba efutu oba osmunya mo jollof oba osmukoto apetition na obom o mamrantie na apetition no awurade Ghana ye jimi bruta ya wo ya se Afenyo make akokra so yi machine efira brochi no akọ Alibaba no akra 200 ni nyina $1.33 no de abegum ose wo chicha amamo saa so yi machine mu ko se ba kumpo ye adwuma ohun se ni kuro mufo ni bi ejimi masa adwuma wei o yusumu o osahin no ato emo kobusa Ibrahim Mahama emu bebregu container mu sinkran kobusa konkran ko he amanfo akra mu abegu container mu yenye nipa mani ndi ofre ne nyonko o masa na woni mu wo ho so ye benye bia ma o ena mama me 50 bags bi e osmo fangu kia mu nko ho me di akire wa starve nkofo no okrom komi di omo we see police station aba omo into ye ndisi na peja otipa no wa chewa kweshem akwawe or your political demon into the amugu bag or the amugu kia mu osmo fan komi di akire oba o se asafofo no wo ho one hye twen omu di omu jimi no ma hye batakari osahine reba apetashifo omunum gang osahine rebo orba ai ne de twene abegina kwan ho na okwa os won nia jollof ma won man to ntos nkom na nkofo mto ekom omunum nyina flat one to apetition ma won na wato drum edu omunum apetition na charge o ma osahine yemfa nginem kikikikibze o jimi omo efutu pididi or your political demon Afenyo make damn it. Afenyo make one of the most dirtiest politician. Dirty man, a very dirty man. Very dirty. Now wo wakwaji obi yire ne nada. O fane to. Ama ni nua bema and oba na ankasa ma wa gine nkwara na wo jimi gina court afa phone afre bema na threaten no. Na wonya bonsama wo ye den. You are cursing yourself. That means you don't want to live over 60 years. You are cursing yourself. Every single act bia u shake ye it's a day bia o curse ho. You are a demon. One of us one kasa wo ma. You are a father. O ma wo fie. So bi di bia wo baba wo mpene. E den na wo ye sade no. You are a political demon. A political attassa. Dangerous guy. And these people work in Ghana. They are so na mo amugu sa ekuru no so. Sa akwa we osahene. Why no nkoko. Afenyo ma ken ho yade we ni tirim krodo so krodo ehwa na ne koko osahene e community appetition ti na ahemfo etu ogu no so appetition ti muti krom for 8 years akwa wetina parliament as a majority leader na munsuo sei mumpenifo ahemfo ne munkora mugum te say nwan you could not demonstrate to say yensuo ne say aban sesa 1 year mu kem Afenyo ma ken ono foreign water wa kra mumu bi na mugu kuro mu agimi memento sabi wo ayurate yagopo osahene reba one man appetition one nom yetumi lodu am appetition drum edu na boys on gwadwuma be na oye on bi adwuma bia wesi police station udi nkwaso na wachewa kwahyem wesi police station Afenyo ma ken wesi police station enkwasiade a oya no. You see, you people should slow down a little bit. Yan time will be na mama politicians we Jimmy Mododo. Yama politicians Jimmy yo Ghana dodo. Kwa Afenyo constituency kwa he. Yama politicians Jimmy waji asasini nyina ena emu mranti anka bebre enyiri cha Afenyo makna they would have done something better for them, for their life, for themselves. Omoni omomba omadani slaves no mu di akwara we echi. Utumi hu odi kro utumi hu ohene asa akwara. We Jimmy Obia adentira Afenyo ma ken ayo top petition mai ye hunu TV do ewurade nyankopon awunani ohum sem we Jimmy eho efo ena obom 442 obom 442 monko ya ne dan papa egu nkran monko nkran ko ya ne dan papa Afenyo ma ken obam kroma on spending more than $1,000 na mo ho ka yesai apetition drum back we yesai appetition drum back where saying enyumbre ko hwe so ha ko hwe de esi otumi sika ne anu mo one bag de tomatoes gum ne de gauge saying obi na de chair won kran emo no de ba abre mo no obi na de man won kran bra kra ba hwe mu gu container mo yentumi ndi yentumi ton bra kran mo ni mu kran papa ntira metuma che mo 100 bags 200 300 bags 1,000 bags of rice efutu free and come coat and come emo gu tamawu emo gu tama osesa mo ne sardine no abanua na mudi nachi na mo sase nwan mumbusa ne se ukọ nkran no ya ma ukọ nkran no abaze na eza abre yen mo ba sa mo ye one district one factory ben na eye adwuma we futu ha factory ben ana wa afa yam mebun da wonye adwuma kwase ampanyi wo kọ nkran no akodi jantrafo no aba wo horo kote ho no abetena ho meye osahen we jinjim papa ebu okrapa tissue or the tissue or the atchere kwato ho onyampom pepa sperms no e na wahye spot eguso e na wabegina osahene na tissue atartare de bema ho ewurade igofoi Afenyo ma ken me respected ba kumpo Afenyo ma ken apo Afenyo ma ken mimbunu baako mimbunu se mimbunu pose kako na obi a wutumi kofo obi yire ne da na ne ma enketenkete oba na udi no ni nua bema akogine nkora na wasa gina court e defend sa bema no na wasa afa phone afre okunu ne tretino na wo nipa me abraham me wo baba wo ya boa mame. So when it comes to respect mini ba kumpoma, this guy is filthy to me, very despicable human being. I seem like puke. Now when I'm a time, he disgusts me. Kai.
So when you come, kokoda. So what you know when you come so coalition center na kobo electoral commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, kokoda. So what you know when you come so coalition center na kobo electoral commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, kokoda. So what you know when you come so coalition center na kobo electoral commission for home by the MIA. So when you come, kokoda. So what you know when you come so coalition center na kobo electoral commission for home by the MIA.
Miracle Waji to ye. Miracle Waji Oruso mu NPP for Jimmy 2024 or Jipudio. Yes, someone can go a press conference. 2 million Ghana, no more 30,000. More fanko, no the Akora to order the mobile. Wajiji omwa men na abasa kakraka Jimmy. Onso mu Jimmy. Na Miracle Abwaje ene Masamudu ene Mustafa de ande eti table ho a. Ohun mu nyina so mu Jimmy. Saa akwa na akoko bi ni ni ase no. Wajisika 2024 wajido. Or the press conference, Bawumia communication. Debia press conference, wajisika to ye. Ohun so mu Jimmy. Because the more they keep Bawumia in front of the party, the more he makes money. And I'm here. Say, if they change the leadership of the NPP, and I change Bawumia, Miracle Abwaje is nobody. So why do you think he's always screaming? He's protecting his wealth. Na mumunye smarter na. Miracle Abwaje, the day you change Bawumia as a flag bearer, Miracle Abwaje becomes a poor man from that day. Miracle Abwaje no ye DC ene Akufo Addo se abokro no ne pam me den se onfa determination letter mra na onkyere se enye sika no wia ne pam no ontumi nye. Miracle Abwaje me say I dared him. Me say oye DC na pam no onfa determination letter me kyere se ye pam no because of nothing. They sacked him because he stole money. I dared him. Show us your termination letter. Na yenhwe wan kata party pam. So this guy, he knows to say Mahamadu Bawumia anya flag bearer. He's not going to make a dime. Into a dime osino or the Bawumia na esi woni trim. Plan. Into na abonteki kan kwasi asam na de enim nyina oka. It is because he wants to still live that lifestyle. Bawumia as sustaining money. The more Bawumia leads the party, the more he's rich. Anameboa. Mwe Jimmy, can't you see what they are doing? All these people, Bawumia is the cash cow. Samere is the cash cow. Baby, obu bobu moja free no Bawumia wealth. Because Bawumia made a lot of money in power. Hey, ope politician onye sika pa and the NPP Bawumia. Last minute say Wakabibi, I myself the NPP. I didn't take any money. Hey, Bawumia. Now, what will make Bawumia leave the Bank of Ghana and come and join the NPP and say, I'm going to follow Akufo Addo? What to make somebody who works at the Bank of Ghana to say, okay, I want to quit Bank of Ghana and go and follow Akufo Addo, a political party. He saw what was there. It was the money he was chasing. The Bank of Ghana money wasn't enough for him. Bawumia never knew the NPP. Ne papa, any NPP ni. Bawumia never had any affiliation with the NPP. Bawumia saw an opportunity and he took it because ohun say NPP for ne Jimmy. So Brandon Huye because majority are illiterates. The NPP for idea omo penny so because a lawyer and I say oh yeah economist and one here. Doctor, lawyer, economist. We o giant grow more power. Sa no mo tie. Because majority no nko school nko echiri omudu Jesus no mo jai. Musa dankwa ene beka kire. Enti dodo no omu obi oye doctor, omu obi oye lawyer, obi oye economist onimnyansa. So automatically the moment you brand yourself and go into the MPP like me yeweyo because dodo no the masses na the foolish masses from the MPP chino omo adwene konkan no they automatically see you as an intelligent person. And you about Bawumia be joining MPP no at a point they never questioned Bawumia's theory. They never questioned the things he was saying because majority of them are illiterate. They are ignorant. They don't understand it. Oh say na majority of the time no Ghana for dwin say NAPO nim nyansa until they make NAPO the running mate. Nenye nim say Bawumia nim nyansa until they made Bawumia the flag bearer. Bawumia Jimmy ni nyina na yehu until you can say walk alone or down in Liverpool you say hey sa akwa we onam syndrome ni mu. We didn't see it because Akufo Addo the criminal was shadowing Bawumia. Enti Bawumia concept na ni yehu gestures ni ye. It did not show clearly until say can say walk alone. Enti Bawumia bien na no as damn it ya mistake. Yes. Nana posted in Ghana for a long time. Wabe MP DND you say NAPO doctor NAPO DND ye be a chain say on wangasa nante or done in Liverpool they would say hey South Ankuba Liverpool we Jimmy Okasa I say Bini Jinani Trim. And this is what we have thousands of such people in the NPP. And the MPP hailed them because 90% of the people follow MPP are daft. Masa, we are simple, a maths. Ye pebema osi abuaji. Ye pebema abedin komo ede tumi abefia osi abuaji. NAPO, Bawumia, Apo, Kennedy. I can pick somebody randomly from the MPP. I'm not sure how powerful and how we understand politics in Ghana. Myself and my team, we can pick a random person from the NPP. Take the person away for 1 year. 1 year. We will bring the person back. That person will lead the MPP. Mo the same chamwa. MPP mo the same koko. Myself and my team, we can randomly pick one person from the NPP and take that person away for a year. And we can put that person somewhere, clean the person up, and present the person to the MPP. We know your antidote. We know they're doing solving problems. You're smart. You're John Fokura. My general form. So I don't work too hard to let Ghanaians know. Say my general form. I don't do too much. Into these people, they are not some unique group. Be extraordinary. We know you people. My general form. Whenever you people speak, me shame wana masre. Se me kase mo mba power be for the next 42 years. Sadie we ye hu 4 years ago. Nim se mo mba power be 42 years. It is not just saying. Me say 2027, the party will break before you go into election 2028. I'm telling you. Party no, it will break up. Mobile elections, no money chairman, no money general secretary. I'm telling you, your candidate will not be even available to contest 2028. I'm telling you. Party ni be Johnny, obi abeja party wo ho Johnny. There will not mobile party office no be any ho. People will break away again from the MPP. Yes, because there's a last breakout or breakaway we need to happen before 2028. That breakup will happen. And Mojo say Kennedy Agyapong be break out. Kennedy Agyapong, baby ammunition and you see. Another breakout will happen.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.